How many people have ever felt like they don't belong? Toni Morrison wrote, "No one ever talks about the moment they found out that they're white, or the moment they found out that they're black. It's a profound revelation, and you have to renegotiate everything." I distinctly remember the moment I found out I was black. I can still see my first grade classroom in my mind's eye. The kids in school told me. When I went home, I asked my Irish Catholic mother, "Am I black?" It was me, my sister, and my mother in her kitchen. "Am I black?" She said yes, and we had a conversation about race in America, the first of many. She was smiling. I didn't understand it. She was smiling. I, my childhood self, immediately knew. I immediately knew in the way that a child knows. I felt it. Life would be much harder for me from here. But my mother was still smiling. I think it was because of that crazy question my sister asked, which was, if we came from your belly and you're white, what does Dad have to do with it? I didn't understand that question. My adult self understands that question. And I also know that to be othered on the basis of race is a fundamental quality of my existence. It's a source of connectedness to anyone who has been othered for any reason. Othering, connection, and belonging, that is the journey of my life. And it's my hope that's the journey for the 50,000 plus young adults who join Europe United, hoping to belong to corporate America.